This low-traffic Google tool lets you generate unlimited 4K Veo 3 videos and Nano Banana Pro images completely free. Here's how to use it. Search for opal.google in Chrome or hit the link in the pinned comment. Don't look for a registration button. Just sync it once with your Gmail. You'll land right inside Google's Node editor. Click Create New Page and let's configure the engine. Click Generate to open your core canvas block. Ignore the default options and look at the right sidebar. Hit the Agent menu. You'll see Gemini Flash, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana Pro for pristine graphics. Skip those for now and select the Veo 3 model at the bottom. Drop your text prompt into the box, hit Advanced Settings to toggle your aspect ratio to 16:9 or 9:16 for shorts, and flip over to the Preview tab. Hit Start. Because this platform is completely under the radar right now, your render bypasses the usual server queues. In less than 90 seconds, you get a native Veo 3 render with mainstream, Hollywood-level cinematic physics. To pull it to your local storage, hit the three dots on the file and click Download. And it's done. Now, if you want to take this node setup and package it into your own custom standalone AI video generator app, I built a complete tutorial on how to do that using Google Opal. Click the card above to save it to your queue. But before you leave the space, let's look at an efficiency shortcut to build an entire scene fast. If you need a second consecutive clip, don't delete the setup. Just jump back to your active generation block, clear your old text string, and paste your next scene prompt. Because the Preview tab tracks individual canvas states, you just refresh the screen view. Click Generate again, and the system queues up the next clip side by side without overwriting your first asset. To get the absolute maximum fidelity out of the specific Veo 3 engine, structure your text prompts using structural tags. Don't just type what you want to see. Start with your camera style like cinematic macro shot 35mm lens, then follow with the subject action, and finish with the exact lighting parameters like golden hour in lighting. Giving the node-specific spatial data forces Google's model to bypass its standard compression, handing you much sharper micro details on skin textures and fluid physics. Now, if you want to run image to video, the traditional upload and click method won't work here. Google changed the workflow to a node framework. Watch this part carefully or your asset will fail to render. First, click User Input to spawn a yellow data block on your grid. Drag a line from its output dot directly into your prompt box to link them. Change the input type inside the yellow block to image. Now go back to your text block, clear out your old prompt, type your new motion directions, and flip back to your Preview panel. Hit refresh on your Preview tab to update the canvas pipeline. The interface will now ask you to upload your source image. Drop your file, click Continue, and let the nodes process. There is your final image to video conversion. Zero loss in clarity, perfect fluid motion. Google packed their best image, video, and audio stack into this workspace, and while traffic is almost non-existent, it's completely unlimited. Use it before it goes behind a paywall. Drop a like if this saved you time, subscribe for the actual workflows, and I'll catch you in the next one.